When the software is correctly installed, you can start your first project. Our software can work with Revit and IFC files. In this example, the architectural and structure models are IFC, the rest is Revit. And did you know that IFC is the open standard that everyone uses? These models are easily viewed in free BIM viewers. Working with these design models is the essence of Orange Button BIM. Let's start up Revit and create our own BIM project. Start a new project and select the Orange Button template Revit file as a template. Using a template in Revit will boost your performance and engineering, for instance by filling in the startup form in our template. The template also contains standard views and schedules, such as a standard 3D floor plan and ceiling plan views. When everything is set and the project is saved, you can start linking the design models. To do this automatically, you can use our Batch Link app. It is as easy as adding the models from the folder, both the Revit and IFC files. After adding these files to the app, press Batch Link and let the app do its magic. We know that BIM is not as evolved in every country. But we also know that if you start asking, there is more BIM than you would expect. Using our BIM software, you will find out that you can quote faster with higher quality, using BIM. After linking the models, you can already view and review the project. But first, let's start by setting up.